Hey everyone, this is Professor Tom Welch down here on the bottom of your screen, and I just want to tell you it was so fantastic to meet everybody on Monday. Looking forward to getting to know you guys better on next Monday, and we're going to add 3 new students, so looking forward to meeting them and getting to know them as well. One of the things I'm going to ask you, who are the new students, when you come in, you're going to initial in for your attendance. You're going to make a name tent so that you can keep that with you so we can get to know each other's names throughout the semester, and also to have a popsicle stick with your name on it, so that's the way that I randomize my questions. In the meantime, what I want you to be doing is I want you to be working through those modules, Modules 1 and Module 2. It's all about a welcome to Valencia and then about time management. What I want you to do with Module 1 is you're going to work through that, you're going to read the syllabus, and you're going to take a little syllabus quiz. You're also going to do something called a Flipgrid introduction, and that's the screen you're looking at right now. And how you do that is pretty simple. You go right down here to this red button, you go ahead and click on it. It'll give you a chance to write a title, so you're just going to put your name here so we know everybody's name, and then click over here and say, yes, I want to videotape this. So you can videotape your response and put that on there, and then if you want to respond to one of your classmates, please do. Just give a shout out, give a hello, and that'll be kind of cool. Other than that, work through Module 2, and in Module 2 you're going to do a discussion post, and again I would love for you to use video if you can for that. You'll get it, it'll be self-explanatory right there. If you have any questions though, please let me know, alright? ASAP, and I will answer whatever questions you might have on those assignments. Also in that module is a place for you to turn in via a PDF file of a sample weekly schedule. So there's templates for you to use, but also look at the sample that's there so you can get an idea of what I'm looking for. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'm really looking forward to next Monday.